about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Kristen and this is my channel, Life Made Simple. Today I am doing an ultimate clean. I have to get all this Christmas stuff down. It is all over the place and I just kind of have to tidy up here and there, and this literally, when I say this took all day, it took all day. So you will see clips from now, which is early morning, all the way into late at night. I grew up with my mom always setting up a Christmas village that lit up at nighttime. How many of you, I'm curious, did you guys grow up with a family that had a Christmas village at Christmas time, or is that something new, or do you guys not do that? I love it just because it reminds me of my childhood.
Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Now, this is a Christmas card that my mom sent to my girls for Christmas time, and she made this. She makes one every single year, and she is so talented. Like, look at the detail. It folds flat, and then all that pops out.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
For the most part, I have switched to all natural products, but I still have a few products left that aren't probably the best for you, and instead of throwing them away, I'm still going to use them. And honestly, I probably will have this Swiffer, like whatever this is that I'm using, I'll probably have it for a long time just because it takes me forever, and I prefer to use my Thieves cleaner, but I'm trying to get through everything and I've done really, really good, and underneath my cabinet, I'm very happy with myself, is not as full as it used to be.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time.
Now, when I take down my Christmas stuff, I like to pile it all in one area and try to minimize my storage. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I have a ton of Christmas totes, and as I continued to do this video, and I did this last year, like I tried to get rid of some things, and when I put them all in totes, I realized I really don't have that much. I just literally have like, I think there's 5 bins of Christmas stuff, but you will see the biggest bin is full of nothing but garland, and it didn't help that this year I also bought another piece of garland, but hey, I can't help it, and I like all my Christmas decorations, and I use pretty much every single piece of it.
No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
And good thing I have music playing and a voiceover in this video, because at this moment my 2-year-old is yelling at me because I'm taking her Christmas tree down, and she doesn't want Santa to go away, and I felt really bad for her, but because this is her first year, she's really truly understanding Christmas, but she doesn't understand why we only do it for a certain amount of time. Like, she really wanted that Christmas tree to stay up, and we let her have it for a little bit longer, but it was just time to say goodbye, and she wasn't happy.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
This clip was a couple hours later. We were really being super productive this day, and we are actually building a shiplap wall in our hallway, which you will have to watch another video and you will get to see the end result, but I am so in love, and we literally were just doing a billion things at once that day. And I was very proud that we got a lot of things done, and usually we don't.
It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
This is towards the very end of our night before our daughters went to bed, and I just decided to put a little bit of Christmas spirit and Thieves in the diffuser. I figured might as well use the Christmas spirit while I can, since all the Christmas stuff just got put away. And I love the smell of this stuff. If you don't have it next year, you need to buy it for Christmas time. It is like Christmas in a bottle.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs.
As much as I love our couch, it absolutely drives me insane because I am constantly adjusting these cushions. I really want to Velcro them to the actual base of the couch, but I like to flip the cushions all the time. That way they don't wear on one side. So I think that's kind of out of the question, but I really wish I wouldn't have bought this couch.
And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us all tonight.
Here I am trying to cut a sticker out of the dog's bed. I had literally just bought this dog bed for our dogs like 2 days ago, and Emma had this really sticky sticker that got stuck in it. But here's the end result, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button. I am uploading twice a week now, Mondays and Thursdays, and I usually upload sometime in the morning. So keep lookout for those, and I have lots of videos to come. Bye, see you later.